Construction zones on I-35 North End, New Braunfels, causing issues for drivers during the early morning commute. Today, police responded to 3 separate crashes just north of the New Braunfels exit.
KSL12's Ashley Custer discovered there's been more than a half a dozen accidents on that stretch of the highway in just the last 2 weeks.
We've got a lot of work out in that area, and that means a lot of traffic shifts or lane shifts as you go through that corridor of I-35.
Just before 8 this morning, 3 drivers were involved in 3 separate accidents along I-35 just north of the New Braunfels exit. One of those drivers involved in a wreck says he didn't know the left portion of the highway was not a 3rd lane.
I've seen 4 people run into it head on. It seems like this could be solved if they would just angle that wall as opposed to just having it right there appear out of nowhere.
Investigators tell us this has become a trouble spot for drivers lately. Those involved in a wreck today and yesterday told them due to the blinding morning sun, they had trouble seeing the lane shift to the right.
If a vehicle does come in and crash, they're not hitting concrete. They're hitting a barrel of water. It's a lot softer to hit, and it's safer on impact and preserves lives.
Fortunately, all 3 drivers walked away from their wrecks today unharmed.
This is not the first time that TxDOT crews have had to replace this crash cushion and the attenuators. In fact, we spoke to SAPD, and when they pulled the numbers, they told us there have been a total of 8 car accidents in this stretch of I-35 in the last 10 days.
You drive to conditions, so if you're limited visibility, then you slow down.
Ashley Custer, KSAT 12 News.
TxDOT says safety is of the utmost importance, and it will reevaluate possible trouble spots along the highways after every crash.